Hey y'all, it's Gigi. Alright, I told you last time I was gonna film back to back and I was gonna get another light, so I did. And it flashes different colors. So, we're gonna work with it. Alright, so remember, doesn't matter how old the videos are, you can email me if you see something you like. GigiGetsDeals@yahoo.com. Hope everybody's doing good tonight, whatever time it is for you. This is the part 2 of the Honolulu, Hawaii shopgoodwill.com auction box. We should be able to finish it up, I would think. It was only a little over 5 pounds, but it looks like there's just so many smalls that it's taken a few minutes. So anyway, so we've gotten a few good things out of here so far. I haven't tested anything. Sorry, I had to get a drink. I haven't tested anything. Literally got up, got this light thinking it was going to be a regular light. And it's not. So I was like, let's just go with it because, you know, it is what it is. So, alright. So we're going to start with these little acrylic earrings. There's little fashion earrings. Still on the card. Marjan. This is mine. Is that game Marjan? Yeah, this is mine because I like it. Alright. Alright, so let's get Yeah, these are the coolest earrings ever. Ever. Mine's too. Alright, what do we got? Okay, let's get this big guy out of the way. We got a lot of, I don't know what it is on this clasp. It's gross. The beads would be pretty to craft with though. But that's like barnacles or something on there. So that is going into craft. Alright. Whoa! Yeah, that was my light. I don't know what its problem is. And it turned off. Really? Okay. Well, my cool light just turned off, so anyway, we're back to where we were. Alright, so let's untangle some of this stuff. Alright. That looks like somebody... This probably really meant a lot to somebody at one time because it looks like a little bitty real flower pressed between two pieces of shrinky dink or something and some metal squeezed around it and then a hole poked in it. Somebody put a clip on it one day and made an earring. That's what it looks like. Alright, what is this? Got little flowers on it, but this thing has got a lot of wear. It feels plastic and rhinestone. It's going in crafting. Okay. Earring. A little... necklace. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Feels plastic. Just a little plastic necklace. Yeah. Go over there. Alright. Alright, looks like we've got some more Pure Vita. These are still so waxy. Okay, I'll do that later. So we have the white one and a red one with, so those look good together. Alright. Oh, there's so many little necklaces in here. Looks like our bracelets. Gold tone, snake chain, big medallion looking thing. It does have, oh, it's Monet. Yep, Monet. Okay. We'll polish that up and we'll check it out. Mark, you can't, I know you're not going to be able to see it in this camera, but there's a mark right there that says Monet. Alright. Another Pure Vita bracelet. And what I'll probably do with them is lock them up. There's bracelets and what else was there? I don't know. There's other stuff. These hooks, there's something about the girth of these hooks that make me want to test them. That's got some, that's just a rhinestone. It's got the foil on the back and it looks kind of, I don't know, but those hooks, I'm going to check those hooks out. Alright, what do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? Shut your mouth, Hawaii! Okay, so I am a big Hello Kitty fan. Like, this room is my eBay room and my work room and my man cave, and I literally have a Hello Kitty comforter and Hello Kitty stuffed animals and Hello Kitty other stuff. So yeah, it's a ring. It's upside down. Hold on. Oh, I gotta get off my sausage finger. Hey. Yep. Okay, now it's stuck on my sausage finger. Okay. Alright, cool, cool. I like Hello Kitty. There's a cute little ring. That's an earring. We have the red earring that looks like that. Huh. It's a cute little ring. Blue. It is about a 7. That's cute. Alright, we gotta tackle this, folks. We've got to do it. So anyway, my North Carolina box that came in today also, when I ordered it, they said there was a little thing on the website saying due to COVID that shipping, they could take 7 to 10 days to ship it. And I was like, oh, well, alright, whatever. And then I bought the Hawaii box after that, and I'm thinking Hawaii's going to take a while to get here. And they got here on the same day. And I ordered them, I don't know how many days apart. This is a cute little silver tone with the little pearls and leaf-like tree stem thing. That's a cute little necklace. And what I'll probably do with some of these necklaces is maybe lot up 4 or 5 of them for one price or something like that. I don't want to be, you know, $2 and $3 and all day long on eBay. It's not, taking the pictures is not worth my time to do that. Well, I mean, it's worth my time, but it just, I don't want to. So I'd rather make lots than do that. Alright, so we have, what is that? EC? I don't know what that is, but it is a long plastic dangly bits, very long. I don't think this is quite paper clip, but I don't know, because I don't know. But anyway, and it, you know, of course it's got the extender, because, you know, that's not long enough. And it does have a clasp, of course, but you could just put it over your head. That's cute. I'm going to have to look up what EC is, because I don't know. I don't know. So I was working a temp job through open enrollment for an insurance company, and it ended today. And you know, I like reselling, and I do want it to be my full-time job, but I sure did like that steady check coming in too. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to look for another job, but I want an at-home job. So anyway, this is a little, feels like ceramic, and it's got some little gold painting on it, and then a little Asian medallion looking charm on the bottom, and it is on just like a cotton rope, but it's pretty. Doesn't have any makers. I didn't see any makers. I didn't look. What is this? It looks like an old lantern. That piece is cool. It's very, I don't know if it's tarnished. I don't know. It's cool though. It's a cool looking, I mean, I don't think this is real, like, it doesn't sound like glass, but this piece right here is just so cool. I don't know what it is, but it's a necklace on one of the, does it work? Yeah, it's just tight. So, alright. Okay, what is this? Well, I'm just gonna make a mess trying to get to, oh, wait, I have an idea. Get that off there. Got it. I got it. Big old lobster claw clasp, but big old lobster claw clasp. It looks like, I don't know if it's supposed to look brassy like that, or if it, I don't know. It's got some wear on it. It might polish up. I don't know about this, but it's got, I think, a glass ball on it, and it's hollow. You can see the chain through it. I mean, it's cool. I like it. Okay, so there's a pair of Claire's earrings. Cute. Another bracelet. Another. What is this? I can't see. Check. I think it's another Alex Anani. It is. It's got the little heart with the American flag, and it's got a flower, and on the back it says Sisters, and then it says Alex Anani. So this one's not new. It does need to be polished up. It's not, definitely not new, but it's cute. Alright, so that's what, 2 Alex and Ani's we got and 1 faker? Alright. This is a Pura Vida necklace with the heart. So we got, those were rose gold, this is silver. So we got a lot of Pura Vida over here. Oh, there's another one. That's cute. It's got little heart charms on it and pearls. I forget I'm recording, y'all, and I just start because, you know, I talk to myself anyway. This feels like, is it hematite? I think. Anyway, that feels real with your seed beads and a barrel clasp. I hate barrel clasps. I loved them when I was a little kid. I used to play with my mom's jewelry and mess with the barrel clasp. I thought they were cool, but now I don't like them because that's just dumb. But anyway, that's a cute little piece. I'll have to test it and make sure that's actual real stone. And I would do this. I should be putting all my testing stuff in a pile, but whoa. Okay. There. Let's see how long it works. This is Scout. It says good as gold. Looks like, it feels like, kind of like shell. Bracelet. Obviously a girl's bracelet. That's like an earring missing a hoop. Looky. I found them. They have a mark in them. They say love. They say love inside of them. But I didn't see a mark. Okay. So here is it's another one of them with a triangle on it. Afterthoughts. Yeah. So it's just a little afterthoughts. More choker style with the really pretty rhinestone in it. So could use a little polishing, but other than that I think it'd be cute. You know, it's not that time yet, but it won't be long before prom and all that, so that kind of stuff will be selling. Okay, there's a couple of rings. Cactus earring. Alright, what do we have? That looks like an earring. Oh, that goes with that ear. Oh, no. I think something's missing. They're right there and right there. So these will go in craft. That's cool. That'll work. Alright, what's this? Tangles. Okay, so this is one of them bracelets, and then you put the ring on, and you got that. That's kind of cool. I doubt if that's a real gem, but it's what I bought Big Gem for, is to test that stuff, you know. So that's what I'm gonna do here in a little bit. Alright, Big Gem. There's another Pura Vida with pearls below. There's another Pura Vida braided red, white, and pink. Got a tangle. There's a Halloween earring. Oh, a happy Halloween brooch. You can put it. Oh, that's a cute little ring. Little heart. They got chunky fingers. So that is cute. Little earring. Little cacti. I think we just had that one. Okay. Brighton. Brighton earrings. Okay, so I don't know where Brighton earrings are marked. I don't know why that's bent a little bit. Probably maybe from being in the box. I don't see a mark on it, but they are pretty. I have to look up and make sure. So that's 2 Brighton pieces, right? The bracelet over there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that stud too, because it's a little crooked. Somebody had a crooked ear hole. They're both crooked. They got mashed on something. Alright, so we will check into that and make sure that that is Brighton. So we got a couple Alex and Annie's. We got a Brighton. We got a something that's got a price tag of $29.99 on it. This is purple, like a not a lavender, a darker purple, kind of like a wine burgundy. And you got that style chain. New with tags, $29.99 for that. It's cute though. It's got rhinestones all around and they're all there. I mean, of course I won't try to sell it for that, but that's a cute little piece. I don't know what brand it is. The tag doesn't really. It says Montana BL. I don't know what that means. It's got like a $50 mark marked through and then a $29.95. Alright, what's this? A little stretchy. It's got a decent stretch on it. So, earring. That's a cute earring. Ooh. Now we have another one of those. So remember our butterfly and hearts. So now we got 2 sets. Okay, so there was something. What was it? Was it a ring up here? I think there was a ring that had, because doesn't that look the same? And then remember we had a ring. I'm talking to you. Oh, and we have a bracelet. Maybe we didn't have a ring. Well, maybe we had the bracelet. So that all looks like a set to me. And that's a Pure Vita bracelet. So I bet all of this is Pure Vita. So we'll see if we have any more of that. I don't know. There's that other little cute heart. All right. Okay, this is a hot mess. Mess. I'm a chatty Cathy, but when like there's nobody interacting with me, I stay quiet most of the time. Well, I mean, I talk to myself, yeah, but you know, I'm so used to staying quiet, I can go a long time and be quiet, I think. I mean, unless I just ignore myself because, you know, I have selective hearing. But, so, look. So, I'm trying to make small talk. You know, I would probably just like get that untangled and get off my TV. But I shall not. I shall probably not ever get this untangled either. There we go with that. So this is the necklace now to go with that little set. Now we need a ring. Come on. Well, we only have one earring too, so let's just see. Okay, that's giving me a headache. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we'll get that in a second. That's cute. Look at that bead. It's got little pink roses, I think, in there. This is another Alex Anani platform 9 3/4 Harry Potter. Got the, of course, the regulars. Cool. New tags. I like it. I like it a lot. Aww. It's a little kitty cat, and he had one mouse, but his other mouse got away. I just popped him off there, or it can just go and crack. Alright, so, oh, those are cute. Little rhinestone earrings, a set of them. That's an earring. I don't know what this light over here is doing, y'all. It's just doing whatever. The bronze kind of pineapple. That's a bow. This is, let me guess, Pure Vita. Bracelet. This is a gold toned big ball chain. Alright, we're getting there, y'all. This is on, it's like a, it's like a faux leather, it feels like, or maybe it is leather, but they're strands. They're not like the flat ones. But it's got some beads and dangly bits and stuff on it. It might go in craft. I'm not sure. What is this? This is a... That's weird looking. That's weird looking. Did we have... Okay, that's weird looking. Because it's got part of one chain and part of another, and then, you know, it's weird. Okay, a gold tone. No maker, necklace, and wishbone charm. I've seen this before. Those are really cool. The glass with the red swirly gig in it. Alright, that's another cactus earring. Another Pure Vita rose gold. This is I don't know what these are. They're too symmetrical. I don't know. It's like a choker with, I don't know if they're supposed to look like pearls or if they're supposed to look like shells. I don't know. It's got a lot of wear on it though. Okay, here's a Pure Vita ring. Which has like a, I don't know what that symbol is, but a Pure Vita ring. think there's another one of them earrings. Alright, we're gonna go past our time, you guys, but we're gonna get this done. A bunch of earrings, a very rough resin on top of, yeah, crap. Another Pure Vita with pearl. I don't. Crap. It's got something on the back of it. Oh, no, it don't. Okay, so it looks like just one of them. Just one of the little rings that are over here. And another belly button ring. And another one of these rings. Another earring. Oh, look, it's got like an aluminum frog on it. That's cute. We still got stuff in here, y'all. Okay, hold on. Hold on to your horses. I just put one over here. I know I did. I mean, like, literally just put one over here. There's one. And maybe it's about here. There it is. Okay. So, let's make sure we got all the glitzy. So there's no maker on here, but they do have the ball on the end. And it is a very pretty, this is black and this is rhinestone. All the rhinestones are there. Would be great on prom night. Plus it has the matching earrings, and it looks like there's nowhere. That would be a great set for prom, or even, you know, I wear black everywhere, so it would match anywhere I went dressed up, but I don't do that, so anyway. Alright, so that's a cute little set. We'll keep that together. Alright, we got another Love Pink Hawaii. So we had like 3 of them, I think. I got a mess going on over here. This is just a very interesting looking piece. I don't know what that is. We're going to turn on Big Jim. Those are cold. I mean, it's just on a very thin rope. But that is cool. Can y'all see that? And then it's even got like little markings on the, well, I don't know if that's supposed to be there. Maybe it's just dirt. Huh. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. I'm going to sit there right there and try to get some of this other stuff untangled while I have Big Jim's. A Big Jim. Okay, Northern Plains Reservation Aid coin. 2018, and it says Jim Thorpe. Yeah, I don't know. United States of America. I don't know. It's on. It feels like a plastic chain. Some little souvenir or something. Alright, Let's see if this is, oops, sorry, Pura Vida. So it went, I don't know if y'all can see him over there. It went up into the glass. Oh wait, this is going up into the jadeite. What? Or, Tanzanite? Jadeite? No. Amethyst? I'm gonna have to get where I can look a lot closer. So anyway, these are gems down here. This is glass. So that's kind of a really cool piece. It's just different. I don't know if it's worth anything, but it's different. So I like that. I'll put that over here. I'm trying to get done, y'all, but I'm gonna finish this, and then we still got to match up earrings and see if we have anything to test. That is making me mad right there. I want this earring out for this set. Alright, this is a cute little seed bead and glass silver tone hoop. And little stations here. Those feel acrylic. But yeah, that's cute. I'll lot that with another one and do something with it. Oh. Can y'all see the AB on those? Not the big ones, but the little ones. Can y'all see that? All the rhinestones are actually there. What a surprise. Oh, there's another one right there. Looky, looky. Alright, so all the rhinestones are on that one too. Alright. What is this? I don't know if I'm losing it or if just everything is feeling, I mean, this don't feel as plastic to me, but it's just a gold tone chain. Alright, and is this another? Oh, just a gold tone. It's one of them chains. It's like a slinky kind of thing. Just a gold tone. Another chain. It almost matches those little chains there. Alright. Here is, oh, we had that one earlier, or yesterday, or whatever day we did. The one that was painted with the little medallion. So we've got two. They aren't just alike either. These are different. And let's see. It's an earring. Ouch. We got a cute little flip-flop necklace. Looks to be in good condition. It's not branded. Alright, what do we got here? This looks like an old necklace that somebody just threw a bunch of junk on. But I do love skeleton keys, so that's cool. Wonder what that opened. Can you imagine what that opened? It's got a little flower. A little cool little bead. It looks like I have a necklace with a bunch of weird stuff on it too. That I wear at certain times when I feel like I need to wear it. But So maybe that was what this was to somebody. Silver tone chain, I don't, well, it used to be. I don't see any marks, but I might test that chain. Alright, what is this? This is a gold tone chain with a, feels cold, it's probably that, oh god, I'm trying to learn all this stuff, you guys. Ooh, I bet I have a book on gems in the mail. That stained whatever. Anyway, I don't think it's real turquoise. So, it's a cute little necklace. But I don't think it's real. Okay, so here's another weird thing. Okay, that's just an earring thing. Okay, so this was part of this other weird thing. I wonder if it went with that other one. No. Anyway, it's going in. Alright, we gotta get back to this, you guys. Oh, there's the other little frog earring. Alright, I've got to get this undone. Or I'm gonna cut these strings on whatever that is. It's like little freaking jewelry trolls get in there and tie your stuff in knots while it's in a box. Like, how does this get tied in an actual knot? I mean, I know it just traveled from Hawaii to Texas, but come on. And I'm not pausing because the way I'm doing this video, then I have to go through my video editor, and I don't want to. I just want to throw it over on YouTube and be done with it. I don't want to have to edit and export and all that mess. So, have a drink, stay a while, be alright. I got like 5 more videos to make. I feel like we might either be getting it or tying it in more knots. Not for positive. So I think it's funny on these temp jobs, it's like, oh, you're doing so good, you know, we're going to do your coaching at 3:30, and then at 4:30 you get a call and they're like, okay, we've decided that the temp time is over. I'm like, when? And she's like, today. I'm like, lovely. I mean, I was expecting it, but it was at the same time, it was like, I thought we were going to get a little bit of a warning, but obviously we're not. Okay, you guys. There we go. Okay. I don't know what just let loose, but keep them separated. Alright. So, here's the Pure Vita. You know, we haven't found the other earring. Okay, wait. Okay, so that's the bracelet. Here's the necklace. So we got the bracelet, the necklace, the earrings. I mean the ring. Yeah, these earrings. Oh, we do. No, we don't. We do. We do have both of them. Both of these earrings. The ring. So we got the whole stinking sad of it. I'm going to find me a little bag to put that in right now. I didn't mean to scream in the microphone, but it took a lot of work. Alright, so we're going to put that one in there. And we are going to put this one in here real quick, and then I will get done with what we got left, and then alright, so this says Brittany, and it's got a lot of wear on it. I don't know what this tag might say. MDE. I don't know. I don't know what that means. Alright, and then we got, this is an Origin. That. Got a piece of glass. Okay. Ooh, I got a rhinestone in here from something. I don't know what it was from. Look! The Hello Kitty. Okay, I will show you my shelf. Not that you care, but don't look at my mess. I'm not lying. I love her. There's more up there. That's not even, that's just that collection. Anywho. So. Thanks. Okay. I wonder if this, how can you tell if these are real? It's a glass arrowhead. How can you tell if these are real or made for jewelry? Or, I mean, I got another piece of glass, so obviously glass just get, I mean, that may be some sea glass from Hawaii, which is cool. And a ring. And there's that other, oh, maybe this one goes to it. That would be cool. Those are little sea turtles and the little pearl. And then this earring. Alright. And this is a like a badge holder, and it says teaching is a work of heart. Heart, not art. So we got that. My neighbor's a teacher. We might take that over to Miss Rachel. And then some glasses, beaded glasses holders. Okay, so let's put this stuff right here. And let's put this bag over here. Okay, so we got those. These are all kind of matching, so let's put these here. Alright, I just kind of want to, we got our Alex and Ani. Those we looked at, the crew. Okay, so this one I'm going to try to fix. Let's see what we got here. See what we matched up and what we didn't. We'll do a real quickie. Here's the other. Belly button rings. That needs to go with that. Okay. So we got the little dolphin thing that doesn't need to be with earrings. That bracelet don't need to be with earrings. Alright. So we got this cute little set of earrings. Black with rhinestones. We got some shell earrings. I want to know if we have these earrings. There's those pins. The Halloween earrings are matching. These are... So we're almost done. I guess I need to get better at not being in my own little world sometimes, huh? And I mumble to myself. I know. I do. Okay, we got a match of whatever that is. Okay, so there's the Brighton ones we're going to look at. That's a rosary. That's the Brighton bracelet. It's a big disc. Disc. I said disc. Those are rings. There's only a couple. I mean, no, this isn't about me, but yes, it is. Okay, so there's that set, and that looks like it's a... I don't know. I think that might be a pearl in there. Not for sure. Wire wrapped. Every time I touch that thing, it turns off. Okay, cool. Here, we found them. The little glass. Little glass earrings. Those are cute. Alright, so this is a silver cactus. Oh, that's one of them bracelets. It's just a charm. I wanted to see if we had these hearts with the pearl. There's another one of them rings. Okay. I don't remember finding these. Why do I keep... Okay, no, forget it. Shut up, Gayla. Job, Gigi. Alright. So we got this cute little set. We got a lot of little sets. This is... Okay, so that's a set. And that's a set. It's already together. And the frogs are there. Put them together. That, this one had that. There's that one. We're getting there, guys, girls, folks. Okay, there's the pineapples. I've only got one of those. Look how stinking teeny tiny that ring is. Look at that. There's one of them. Look how stinking teeny tiny that is. It says love. That's cute. So tiny, I don't even remember seeing it. Okay, so looks like there's probably some more mates in here. There's those. This goes on here. And the little cross. So anyway, I'm not going to make y'all sit here and you can't see that. Alright, so that is it for the Hawaii box. I'm not too upset. I'm not upset at all. But yeah, got a lot of pure beta. Spit it out, Gigi. Spit it out. Got our Alex and Annie's. Got some Brighton. So yeah, I'm going to get this stuff bagged up and get my next box out and film a couple of those videos. I've got like 30 pounds of jewelry back here to film. So, of course, I'm not going to drop them all on the same day. So, but anyway. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Oh, yeah, we're almost at an hour, y'all. Thanks for watching, and remember, if there's anything that you see that you might want, email me at ggetsdeals and see if I still have it. If you can, get a screenshot when you watch the video and a timestamp, and send it to me, and I will let you know if I still have it. If it's on eBay and you email me, you'll get more of a discount than it is for on eBay, of course, because I won't have to pay fees and stuff. But you can also buy it off my eBay store. My eBay link will be on there too. Alright, have a good night. I gotta keep talking till I find my mouse so I can click stop. So bye.